everyone, I am Ashir Bachchan and now you are watching I Love PowerPoint. So today we are gonna make a moving gradient background. So I am going to show you that one. So here you can see the background is moving. It can be called a dynamic background and it looks great and simple. So you can also change the colors like this. As you have seen, it faded from pink to green. We can do that and it will make our PowerPoint look awesome, and we are gonna make it now. So let's get started. First open a new PowerPoint blank template, select the blank one, and then change the layer to blank. Then we need to add a big circle, so that circle will have a gradient background, and press shift so that it will be a perfect circle, and then go to the format section and format toolbar, and then select the align center and align middle so that it will come to the center of the slide. And then you can give it a gradient color by going to the format shape, click the fill, and then select gradient. After clicking the gradient, you can change whatever color you want. So I am placing here red and yellow. Okay, it's not looking so flat. I have to change it. So you can rotate it to give it a slanting linear background, and we can see how it looks. So here is the background, and now we'll give it the rotation animation so that we can see it moving. Select the R animation and go to the select the spin. So click on the animation pane, and you can extend it to up to 5 seconds so that it will be too slow. And go to its effect options, and then select the duration to not duration, repeat to until end of the slide. Click OK, and then see what happens. So you can see the background is changing its color, moving slightly, and let's see completely what happens here. Yeah, that's what we wanted. And we can also add some texture. Okay, so let me first make a box here so that we can put contents in that part only. Now again take it back to its back position. Now add anything you want in this box only, because what you insert outside this box will not appear in the slide. So I'm gonna add some text. Yeah, I changed it to white, and okay, now we are actually adding the content, so we can actually see what is happening and how we can customize it. So now we are gonna delete this. After you insert everything in this slide, then you can delete the main box we have created, then delete, and we'll again see it. So you can see the main content is here, and the background is on its own animation. And okay, this part is over, and now we are gonna make the changing of the color. So this is the first color, we need to make another one like this. Copy this and then change its color, go to the format shape, and now you can change the gradient color here. So I'm gonna give it the purple, and here it will be pink. Okay, now give this another animation of entrance. Okay, fade will be good. Increase it to 1 second, take it up. Now we'll see what happens. Okay, we have to click the so here is the first background, and after we click this one, the background slightly changes. You can customize the background as you want, and this should the first animation should start from the starting of the slide, and then you need to keep this start on click, because when you keep this start on click, it will appear when you click the arrow, or else this animation cannot happen. So you can make like this as much as you want, and click on the arrows to change the background. So now we are done with what we want. So we can again test what we have done. Let's see what we have done now. So here is the first background, you can see it rotating, and when I click, now you can see the color changed a little. It changed from green to pink. So this is all our animation is about. So I hope this helps you. Thank you.